Hey guys, this is just a PSA for your ears. And my ear now, I just got a bath, so I just tested this thing out. Stop using these. Stop using Q-tips, because they keep pushing the wax in deeper and deeper. So this ear is clogged. Um, it's probably leading to an ear infection, but I don't think so because it's not hurting. Because I had an ear infection in this ear 2 years ago. And it started hurting, so I couldn't even take it no more. I couldn't even hear. Like, I can't really hear out of this ear, but I will show y'all what I found. Look at this. And I believe the pronunciation is Cleanair. I would have said Cleanair, but I believe it's Cleanair. And it's actually a kit. And it came with, that's what it came with, y'all. These are going to be like your Q-tips. So this end is what you call the thin end when your ear itches and you go in there and scratch it. And then this is a scoop. Like, it's like a mini spoon for your ear. But you just get chocolate. She's sneaking chocolate. Her boyfriend gave her this big heart. This big old can of chocolate. Where my chocolate? He's supposed to butter up to the mother. Where's my chocolate? Whatever. So it came with two of these, and this is an oil. So it's called a thin and a scoop. Go pick it up. Autofocus. Now I'll put the link in below where you guys can get this.
What'd you say?
Yellow in my video.
My bad.
Oh, look. All right. So, cause I don't really edit my stuff, y'all. So I don't, I ain't worried about it. She taking pictures with the stuffed animal. What is that? Is that a buddy?
It's a dog.
That's a dog. Show the people this. She got necklaces and dogs and stuff. Guess what I got? Nothing. Oh well.
Aww.
It's all good. Enjoy your time, girl. Enjoy your time. So this oil has olive. It says olive fruit oil, and two things I cannot pronounce. So it says, you put in a couple drops of this. It's supposed to be an air conditioning oil. And they call these ear cleansers. So this box was like $7, but they said you could actually reuse these. Just clean them off with alcohol or soap and water or whatever. But I just wanted to see if I can get any more out, y'all. So if anybody is disgusted, you can click off right now. Otherwise, I don't want to see that in my comments. Because I gave you an opportunity to click off. Thank you. I'm just trying to help people because and you can kind of tell, like, you're not supposed to go in too far, and it kind of gives you an indication. It's like I can hear it. It's like it want to pop, but it won't. Like you're driving in the mountains and then your ear pops. That's how it is. It's still a little bit coming out. It was coming. So they said, so when I went to the doctors for my ear 2 years ago, I had to actually get my ear cleaned out. And that was a very interesting experience. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a little bit on there. Very interesting experience. And then when I left the doctor's office, the water was like still pouring out my ear like half hour later. It was crazy. It's like when you wash your hair and water gets caught in there. And I kind of think that's what happened with this ear. I think water got trapped in it. But anyways, y'all gets the point. Oh my gosh, like I can hear it though. That's the part. Like, it's like I can hear it. So I'm just gonna keep putting this oil in my ear. But yeah, I thought this would save somebody. Keep buying these Q-tips. And you just keep pushing them back. Pushing the wax all the way in the back of your ear. Yeah, so that's what I got out. I don't know if you guys can see that. Not too bad, but I feel like it's more in there, and I just gotta try to get in there and work it out. And then all you do is just clean it off with the alcohol pad, or like if you got a bottle of alcohol. And then this is the part that you're supposed to scratch your ear with. I didn't try this yet. You know when your ear itch, you be making them noises. Okay, like that. Yeah, I didn't get nothing out of there. So it's probably, whatever it is, it's probably water. And so wax is pushed way back in there. So it feels like my ear's trying to clear a little bit. Because I couldn't even hear like nothing out of my ear. And they say that's a lot of times that's what it is when you go when people go get go test it for hearing aids, they get their ears cleaned out and they can hear again. It's just crazy. Like, and then there's also this process called candling that I want to go. I would like to go. Now, if I go there, I'm definitely taking you guys with me, so you guys can see how much wax comes out when they put the. I think they put like a cone of paper in your ear. It's like this big, and then I don't know how it works. They light a match and whatever. I think they put a candle. I don't know. I'm not sure. You guys have to look it up. But the wax comes out in the paper, and you open the paper and you see all the wax. Oh my gosh. That is so interesting. So, if you guys have ever tried these before, let me know. And how does it work for you? Stop using these things. And then, I've done it a couple times. We go too far, you poke your ear, it hurts for like 3 days. You can actually bust your eardrum, and that's a whole nother problem. This is good for makeup and stuff. You get all your nail polish, you do your nails or your toes and stuff like that. Clean belly buttons out and that type of thing. So you can, just don't put these in your ear anymore. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, and what else can you think of that would be good to clean ears out naturally, maybe? Like some things around the house. Yeah, I'm just trying to get some ideas, but this seems like the best so far. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I noticed that I looked at my analytics finally, and it said that 90% of people that watch my stuff aren't subscribed. Can you believe that? So it's just maybe people don't have accounts or what, but please subscribe. That really helps me. And also the thumbs up and the thumbs down helps us too to get recognized, to get our videos recommended, throughout YouTube. Alrighty, see you next time.